sorry. I didn't mean to scare you. I was just trying to get the power back on. Here. I wanted to thank you for freeing me. I was stuck in there for so long. Thank you. I'd like to pay you back. There's a train station nearby. It needs a code, and I have it. We're gonna get out of here. As soon as you get on up here. Hey, I'm up here. I see you. I should be able to follow you through the vents. This way. Listen, I'm going to need you to trust me.
Just give you the train code to escape. Now, how is that fun? Instead, why don't we make a game out of it? The game station is still working. It will be just like old times.
And if you win all 3 games, I'll give you the train code.
Mommy loves that idea, Poppy. Oh, you're going to have so much fun. Head to musical memory, and Mommy will get things started. Obey the rules, or I'll tear you apart and eat your insides while you're still alive.
Strong and smart you are. Follow Mommy Longlegs down the stairs, and we'll start by playing musical memory. See you in a bit.
Welcome to musical memory. This advanced memory and cognitive recognition test is designed to stimulate several segments of the brain, allowing us to see how quickly and efficiently your brain works. A sequence of colors will be shown, and you must recreate the exact sequence using the buttons around you. Bunzo will slowly lower towards you. When you complete a color pattern correctly, Bunzo will rise back up. When you input a pattern incorrectly, Bunzo will lower towards you faster. If Bunzo reaches you, your test is over. The test will become more difficult as it continues, with longer patterns in quicker succession. That's all. Good luck.
Oh, isn't it amazing? Mommy hasn't seen the place up and running in years. Mommy can only imagine how excited Bunzo must be. It's been such a long time since he's been able to play, to cheer, to eat. Oh, that's the dinner bell. Good luck.
Blue. Blue. Green. Blue. Green. Green. Blue. Green. Green. Yellow. Blue. Green. Green. Yellow. Yellow. Round 2. Green. Green, blue. Green, blue, yellow. Green, blue, yellow. Green, blue, yellow, blue. Green, blue, yellow, blue, green. Green, blue, yellow, blue, green, violet. Round 3. White. White, white. White, white, white. White, 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 blue. White, 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 blue, orange. White, 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 blue, orange, orange. Round 4. Blue. Blue. Blue J. Blue J heart. Blue J heart, smiley face. Blue J heart, smiley face. Blue J heart, smiley face, smiley face. Blue J heart, smiley face, smiley face. Smiley face, lens, ravenous, burgundy, Oregon heart, Oregon heart, Oregon west, Oregon red, heart, white, ravenous heart, white, heart, by, messenger, white.
Oh, it broke. That's no fun. For doing such a splendid job, Mommy has decided to give you part of the code for the train. Look hard. Mommy was hoping the game could last a little longer. It's okay, though. Mommy knows other ways to play with you.